Welcome to Daily Buzz News. Alert! South Africa's prison nightmare just got darker. Parliament's Portfolio Committee stormed Goodwood Correctional Centre in a surprise raid, and what they found is explosive. Unexplained natural deaths, with no autopsy results yet. An inmate gone, questions unanswered. Then bombshell, a guard's alleged suicide attempt after signing out an unregistered firearm. Unauthorized? Illegal? The intel screams cover up. Chairperson Kamatso Anthea Ramalobeng didn't mince words. This doesn't add up. We demand full transparency from the Department of Correctional Services. Overcrowding at 53%. 2,497 souls crammed into space for 1,651. Drugs, violence, despair. This isn't rehabilitation, it's a powder keg. The committee's calling in DCS and inspectors for a brutal briefing. Will heads roll? Or more lives lost? South Africans, the system's failing. Demand answers. Demand change. Because behind those walls, humanity hangs by a thread. Thanks for watching.